What's up, my friends? Have you guys seen this cool new shirt? Check out this shirt. The front's cool, but the back is even cooler. Look at that. You need to get yourself a growing up garage shirt, or get that kid in your life who loves working in the garage, hanging out with you. Get him a growing up garage, or her a growing up garage shirt, or super sweet hat. Now, back to your regularly scheduled program, as you're smashing that subscribe button because you guys love watching my crazy van videos. You know what we should be? Hey guys, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and you know where we should be right now? Is at Overland Expo, and we are not because of the damn beer bug. All right guys, dude, how awesome is this van? 2008 newer Ford E350 extended passenger, gonna get built out, and when it does, I will have them bring it back and we will show you even more cool stuff that we are doing to this van, as this is round one. Round one, we did a lot of stuff. Check out this awesome bumper, dual swing bumper here. So thanks to our good friends over at Luminous Products, who make us an awesome box. Well, they just make an awesome box. Look at that. I don't have Caden to stick in it, otherwise I would do that. All right guys, so here's what's really cool. This is our box, the latches. We're gonna swing this open, and this is gonna swing all the way out of the way and lock shut. Boom, there it is, lock shut. Both sides are gonna do that. So you guys asked for it and I'm responding with it. This bumper in a do-it-yourself kit, I'm going to put it on the website. I'm gonna put a link down below. So if you want to build yourself a dual swing bumper, you can do that. And what is great about this bumper is there's no bends in the bumper. It's all straight tubes. We've taken the bends out of the corners and we've done them all with plates. As you can see here, all the plates lock together, so it makes putting this together very simple. Even the corners are going to lock together. This is going to make it, again, very simple. You can see every component in the bumper keys into itself. Therefore, you can't mess up putting it together. I mean, technically you can, but all the keyways are even different sizes, so it only goes in one hole. So this thing is awesome. Austin's laughing because he's thinking no matter what, someone's gonna call us and be like, hey, I welded this in backwards. I don't know how to, what do I do? And I'm gonna tell them to go get a cutting wheel. So tread plates, this makes it really nice, so then it's locked, of course. I get like 10% of the vehicles are not locked, but anyways, having the tread plate on there makes it really nice, so then that way you can get into your vehicle. Now, keep this in mind as well, as we're gonna talk a lot about this back bumper, because I wanna make sure I cover everything to make sure I don't miss something, so I don't get yelled at in the comments below. You can do the bumper without the swings. You can add the swings later. There's so many different ways that you can configure this rear bumper, which is awesome, and that's the whole point. We're trying to make it so you're not stuck buying everything. If you can't afford it, you can put it together in pieces, and I'll go over that even more detail. And I plan on making a video building this bumper so I can even show you guys how to do that. Just trying to help you guys out. So this is it, dual swing here. So, because I know someone's gonna say you didn't open up the other one. Swing open, lock shut, awesome. When I want to close it, I'm going to pull the pull pin right there. It's going to close, doors are going to open up all the way. This thing is awesome. Just look at it. You see that? It's like, whoa, whoa. Fitting a 285 7017. Yes, you can run a 35 on this. Could you run bigger? Yeah, I'm sure you can. So, but just to show you guys, we are running a 33 on here, and you can run a 35. Double latch, it's gonna lock in there. So if you want, we can sell you all the latches, all the pieces that you need to have fun building this at your house or your shop. Have you guys seen that cool shirt? Did you see that? All right, so there it is, guys. There is your back bumper. You can order it without the box. Dude, a million different ways. It's like a buffet, except buffets aren't legal anymore and these rear bumpers are, you know? Like buffet bumper style. All of it's gonna be on the website. I'm gonna add it. Boom, boom, boom. All right. In the back of this, we did the lift, just blocks for now. And keep in mind, guys, this is something super important. If you're going to be building your van and you want us to build you a set of leaf springs that are going to work really well, a lot of times what we recommend is that you put blocks in the rear of it until you get your build out done. Then we weigh the back of your van and then build you a set of springs that are going to work for the back of your van and the new rear and the weight of it, with all the stuff that you add to the rear. So if you add a rear bumper, tire carrier, you add a roof rack, you add 1,000,000 pounds of stuff to it, you can do that. We can build you a set of springs. So this guy got super stoked. We had a customer that took off a set of the Aluminous running boards, and he was here at the perfect moment to snatch them up. And then he also snatched up his wheels when we switched it over. As you guys remember, that the blue van, 4x4 van, where we did all of our stuff on it, these all came off of that van because we upgraded with a super sick set of Method wheels. So again, 285 70/17 tires on. These are BFG KO2s, and this is our Baja Grocery Getter kit. Hopefully by now, this is like a household name and you're like, oh dude, Baja Grocery Getter. Oh bro, I know what that is. I'm gonna do that to my van because it's super sick. But if you don't know, we're gonna go over it real quick. Modified beams, I-beams, extended radius arms, brackets, box shocks, 6-inch coils, blocks, and U-bolts. And all of this, I'm gonna smack Austin around and be like, Austin, make sure you put that link down below to the Baja Grocery Getter kit, because he forgets this sometimes. I don't know where his brain's at. What are we gonna do with him? Yeah, that's it, Baja Grocery Getter. It's freaking sick, bro. Another thing that's awesome about this kit, I'm probably being redundant, but I wanna make sure because you guys still call with these questions and I want you guys to know this. What's great about this kit is it doesn't use any form of drop-down brackets. All the I-beams are gonna have new bushings in them. All your radius arms are gonna get new bushings. So when we talk about preventative maintenance, we're also doing preventative maintenance at the same time you're doing your lift kit, which is really important. And if you want to know who that super awesome person is that you talk to on the phone, she's right there! I camera hijacked Austin. I just hijacked her. We're just craziness around here. All right, guys. And this is another thing, talking about do-it-yourself stuff. This is it right here. This is the do-it-yourself tube winch bumper. Super sick, super easy to build. I just love these super words because this is just, it's like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, you know, and there's you. I never stop talking. See? Hey, who's, film her. Yeah, see, there we go. We are making the video. What do you think we're doing? Just hanging out? Me and Austin are just hanging out here, chilling, you know? That's what we're doing. And no matter what, we're always getting bossed around. No matter what, can't win. So tube winch bumper, this is really nice. You can still run a full winch in there. And this is also a do-it-yourself kit. So if you want to do this yourself, you can. So a lot of people, another thing that you guys have been asking is that, hey, I have a 1993 to 2007 Ford van. Will this work? So the answer is yes, it will work. The big difference is because the newer Ford vans are going to be, they stick out a lot farther, you're gonna have about 3 to 4 more inches additional here on your older van if you're gonna run this bumper. So it is totally doable. And in the future, we may come up with another one, but basically, let's say if we have 4 inches here now, you're gonna be up around 7 or 8 inches of space here because that other front end is smaller. Or you could just get crazy and put our fiberglass front end on your van and update your whole front end to a new van. So that's it for this, except we did do a steering stabilizer on this. We've talked about that a bunch, and I need to make a video on how to install this, so if you guys wanna do it at home, you can install it at home. It's fairly simple. It's like 8 bolts, 4, 5, maybe 10. So I think that's it, guys. I'm sure I missed something. I'm sure you guys are gonna complain because I just talked about everything and random and craziness. And while you were here hanging out with me, learning about vans, I know that you smashed that subscribe button. And if you have not done it yet, please do it now, where we have at least 1 to 2 videos coming out every week talking about vans, showing you all the killer vans that we build, and even other van products that you may be interested in if you're building out your own van. So again, guys, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. Go get your Growing Up Garage shirt, and I will see you guys on the next video.